So, working on this 1980 CJ5. Badass piece of equipment here. And changing the OEM hubs. These are the factory original equipment manufacturer Warn hubs for the 6-bolt. That was between 1972 and 80, if I am correct. So anyhow, I follow the instructions. It's pretty easy. You unbolt it, take the old one off, take the cap off the new one, slide it on, bolt it in, and then you want to put the snap ring right here. But the axle's not out far enough. Yesterday I ran into this problem on the other side. Had to do a bunch of research to find out that what you want to do is reach over here. Sorry about being upside down. And this is difficult. Easy to do, difficult to film. You want to push this that way. There we go. The other side I had to use a little screwdriver, but anyhow, that's probably out far enough. Yep. Now there's enough room in there to get the snap ring on. Here, Dave, hold the camera for me. Yay. There it is. Snap ring has snapped in.
Snap ring was not snapped in.
I got it now. And I don't know, the rest should be self-explanatory. If there's any questions, drop me a comment. I'm usually on the YouTubes watching Bo of the Fifth Column, trying to save this country from fascism. Anyhow, this is probably the only 1972 to 1980 CJ5, 6, and 7 instructions on how to take the OEMs off and put the new ones on. Aren't they beautiful? The rest you can figure out. I'm done.